Welcome back to Rafi Gadget Review. In today's video, we're checking out a small gadget that can actually help you see what's going on inside your ear instead of just guessing. So today, we're reviewing the ScopeAround wireless otoscope camera. And by the end of this video, you will know whether this is a useful health gadget or just another unnecessary accessory. Before we get into the experience, let's do a quick and simple unboxing. Inside the box, the first thing you will find is the ScopeAround otoscope itself, which is surprisingly compact and lightweight. Right away, you can tell us this is designed to be comfortable to hold, even for beginners. Along with the camera, you get some ear specular tips for hygienic use, a charging cable, and a user manual that explains how to download the companion app and connect the device. The packaging is simple but practical, and everything you need to get started is already included in the box. Now, let's talk about the design and build quality. The ScopeAround otoscope features an ultra-thin 3.9mm camera probe, and this is one of the most important parts of the whole experience because it's so slim it can comfortably fit inside the ear without causing pain or pressure. This is especially important for people who are sensitive or using an otoscope for the first time. The build feels solid enough for regular home use, and it doesn't feel cheap or fragile in the hand. It's also designed with safety in mind, which is something you definitely want in a product that goes near your ear canal. One of the standout features here is the camera quality. This is a high-definition video otoscope, and once you connect it to your phone, the clarity is impressive. The camera is movement sensitive, so as you gently move the device, you can clearly see real-time details inside your ear. Whether it's earwax buildup, irritation, or something that just feels off, the level of detail helps you understand what's actually happening instead of relying on guesswork. The viewing angle also plays a big role in usability. ScopeAround uses a 70-degree angle design that fits better with the natural structure of the human ear. This wider angle gives you a clearer and more complete view compared to narrow-angle cameras. Combined with the built-in LED lights, visibility inside the ear is bright and clear without being harsh or uncomfortable. The lighting helps reduce shadows and makes it easier to inspect areas that are normally hard to see. When it comes to connectivity, this otoscope is completely wireless. It has built-in Wi-Fi, which means you don't need any extra adapters or complicated setup. You simply download the Smart Endoscope app, connect your phone to the otoscope's Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. It works with both Android and iOS devices, making it accessible to most users. The wireless design also keeps the device lightweight and easy to maneuver. Comfort is another area where this device performs well. ScopeAround includes overhead protection, which means the camera tip doesn't get uncomfortably warm during use. This might sound like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference, especially if you are inspecting for more than a few seconds. It adds peace of mind and makes the experience much more comfortable. One thing I really like about this product is how versatile it is. While it's primarily designed as an ear inception tool, it's not limited to that. You can also use it to check your nose, skin, hair, oral cavity, or even your pets. And because you can capture photos and videos directly from the app, it becomes much easier to share those images with a doctor if needed. This makes it a practical tool for families, pet owners, and anyone who wants a closer look at minor health concerns before deciding on a clinic visit. Another important point worth mentioning is that this product is a FSA and HSA eligible, which adds extra value for users who plan to purchase health-related tools through those accounts. It positions the ScopeAround otoscope more as a serious health device rather than just a tech toy. So, after using the ScopeAround wireless otoscope, the overall experience feels reliable, simple, and genuinely useful. It's not meant to replace professional medical care, but as a home inception tool, it does exactly what it promises. Clear visuals, safe design, wireless convenience, and multi-purpose functionality make it a solid option for everyday use. To To wrap things up, if you're someone who often deals with ear discomfort, wants a safer way to insert earwax, or just likes having a smart health gadget at home, the ScopeAround Otoscope is definitely worth considering. So that's it for today's review on Rafi Gadget Review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting gadget reviews. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.